Yo, what's going on? What's going on? It's your boy Ty. Yo, so check it out. I got this new dance. Everybody been asking me, yo Ty, how do you do this Forex dance? How you do this Forex dance? So let me break down the Forex dance in steps. All right, we're gonna break it down in steps, and then I'm gonna play the song, and I'm gonna show you how to do it along with the song, and then we're gonna explain the challenge after that. So first, if you know the whoa, right? Some people do the whoa like, you know what I'm saying? But so for this Forex dance, it's pretty cool because you throw your hands up, whoa. All right, so that's the first part of the dance. There's 4 parts. That's the number 1 part. So it's like, hit that, so you hit that, hit this, that. It literally, you gotta be on point with those. So this, that. Next part, right, is that mix that part. So this next part is just like if you're cooking, all right? So imagine you got like a pot right there in front of you. You feel me? Imagine you got a pot, you just stir in that pot. So you caress the pot, put the hand in the pot and stir the pot. You know what I'm saying? The pot, you don't want to touch it because it's gonna get too hot. You know what I'm saying? So you just keep it. Ooh, okay, and you like, oh, what about that bounce? So that bounce is a part of it too. So this is a 2-part move. So the first part is you stir the pot, you know what I'm saying? The second part is like you kind of just step back and just jig with it. So you can just work on your jig like that. All right, so what's cool is when it's all together, it's like, this, that, mix that, flip that, whip that. Okay, so that's the first part of that. All right, so it's this, that, mix that, flip that, whip that. Get that bag. So I get that bag. All right, so now is get that bag. So once you come out of your mix, you know what I'm saying, you can just, what makes it cool about this move, and I want you to really study this so y'all can get it. So even if you just stuck on this, you're like, oh, what's next? You can just come out of it like this. Look, boom, 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 boom. Like, you're like, oh, what was that? So basically, you just doing your money dance. You know what I'm saying? You can have money in your hand. You don't have to have money in your hand, but it's for anybody you can do. You just basically taking the money out your pocket. You know what I'm saying? Just taking the money out your pocket, throwing it at the ground, throwing it at the ceiling, throwing it at the ground, throwing it at the ceiling. So you just slide 2 times here, boom, 2 times there, boom, 2 times here, boom, 2 times there. So now we'll put those 3 parts together. This, that, hit that, this, that, mix that, flip that, whip that, get that, direct deposit, all that. All right, so we're on that next part. So once you get to that part, so direct deposit or that stash. So on that part, direct deposit or that stash. So basically, that part of the dance is the looking ass. So if you don't know the looking ass, basically from this angle, I'm gonna show you what it looks like. So it's like, walk, 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 look at this, walk, 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 look at this, walk, 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 look at this. You know what I'm saying? So you can do it to the left side, you can do it to the right side, I guess, like however you want to do it. So what's dope about that is you're not doing the whole boom, boom, boom. You know what I'm saying? You're not doing the whole thing. You're just doing one motion, boom, snap back. So easy call. You're like, what's the looking at? You just look behind your back. So 1 foot here, boom, look behind your back. Look behind your back. Look behind your back. Look behind your back. You know what I'm saying? So you can throw some bounce in there. So what's that look like? Boom. This, that, mix that, flip that, whip that, get that, direct deposit, all that, invest in, double back, spin. So that's the last part. So then it's double back, spin that cash. So then at the double back, spin that cash part, you just double them back, double them back, double them back. So you already started this though, because remember when you was whipping and just walking back with it? So you already got that part. So then you just come back to it because you about to reset. You know what I'm saying? You about to reset and do it again. So you just double back, spin that. It was double back, spin that tag. My bad, I said cash, but it's tag. Double back, spin that tag. Invest in stash. Double back, spin that tag. And then it's run it up. So now we'll put it all together, right? And then we'll play the song, and then you can hear along with the song. I'll bring it up. Well, I already broke it down. You feel me? So if you need the steps again, just stop the video. Be like, oh, that's how we do step 1. That's how we do step 2. That's how I know how to step them, but I mean, you get the drift. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, drift. So once again, hands up. Oh. And then it's run it up, and all you're doing is just run it up, and then reset. Boom, 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 boom. Oh shit, I fucked it up. And then you just groove back, run it up, and then boom. So I'm about to play the song real quick. Mix that, flip that, whip that, get that, direct the
deposit all that. Invest in double back, spin that. Run it up, run it up, run it up, run it up, run it up. This that, mix that, whip that, flip that. Get that, direct deposit all that. Invest in double back, spin that. Run it up, run it up, run it up, run it up, run it up.
Everybody was asking me for a tutorial, an official tutorial of how to do the Forex dance. That's how you can do your Forex dance. So the challenge goes out. I guess it's like whoever can do the dance the best and most creative. Like you got the basic steps, but I know when the song come out, it's like this bow, bow. So people gonna be hitting it like ooh, they gonna be, you know what I'm saying, doing their joint. So it's like whoever got the best dance move, the best dance to it. I mean, I know it's gonna be some dope dances. I know it's gonna be some funny ones too. You can even make it funny too. Like that's cool too. You know what I mean? But look, what do we offer? Private? I think I was gonna give them a phone call or a
free Forex
hoodie.
Or
a phone call,
phone call from you.
A free hoodie or a phone call from me. So, hey, what's good? When should I wrap it up? Like 2 weeks? So, whatever today is, 2 weeks from today, I think today is like the 10th. So, 2 weeks from today would be like the 24th. So, yeah, on July 24th, I guess that's when we'll wrap this competition up. So, you guys got a chance, you feel me, to rock with me. But, hey, look, that Forex
you gonna give them 2 weeks?
2 weeks.
I mean, it's simple. Like, I could see if it was like a music video to like a certain song.
Just give them a week?
Yeah.
You got a week then. You got a week, bro. You got a week, sis. You got a week. Oh.
Little babies.
Ooh, I know y'all gonna be hitting it. I'm about to be like, oh, that's good. You feel me? But hey, man, it's your boy Ty. Look, this was the Forex dancing tutorial. I'm dropping a song in like 24 hours or less. You feel me? So be checking Spotify and YouTube Music and Apple iTunes and all of that good shit. It's your boy T and I'm out this.
Mix that, flip that, whip that. Get that, direct deposit all that. Invest in double back, spin that. Run it up, run it up, run it up, run it up, run it up. This that, mix that, whip that, flip that. Get that, direct deposit all that. Invest in double back, spin that. Run it up, run it up, run it up, run it up, run it up. Make it move and stash it. Invest in double back. Never moving backwards, forward on my plans. Lifestyle moving average, I'm all about my bands. Moving like a bakery, beer coming in packs. Trade talk, keep stay focused, I'ma eat no play bout. D's on the same route, look, 16 easy route, 3's on the lane bout. Curry let it ring, what you say about burgers on ring, big teams on way now, yeah. Still push with big drop when I want, I'll keep smooth on the same route, bitch. It's fuck what you say, it's still fuck your courses, I'm straight to the bank. You gotta spend all your time on the phone, cause you selling that shit, they eating your day. Me? I'm straight off the charts with the pussy, you're straight up the charts on the video game. Stay on your neck, gasoline on the flame. Never gon' stop as 100 get rain. Board still cold, run up over the pain. Forex endeavors, it's all in my veins. Written in ink as I cruise to the lane. Unrock the power of minds over gains. Gains over times, man, I play over time. Stay over time, I'm a lead over grind. Elite with the dimes. Stay with the profits, I'm motion and vibes. Ocean and blunts, and I'll go with the lines. Stick to the bases, my nigga. Support and resistance, just facing my nigga. Learn to retrust, now you racing my nigga. Dots on your face if you play with us, nigga. Give you the game, so get paid with us, nigga. You see the life as in cameras and pictures. Run up the wealth and just run up the riches. Money and power, just run up the system. This, that, mix that, flip that, whip that. Get that, direct deposit, all that. Invest in double back, spin that. Run it up, run it up, run it up, run it up, run it up. This, that, mix that, whip that, flip that. Get that, direct deposit, all that. Invest in double back, spin that.